Alright guys, what's going on, and welcome back to the channel. Today is an exciting day where we are going to go pick up the new project car. Got the truck started, waiting on Andrew now. We should be able to go to U-Haul, get the trailer real quick, and then on our way to Louisville, Kentucky. Andrew is here now. We're gonna go get gas, and then we are going to pick up the trailer, get on the road. 5-hour drive today. Alright guys, so we are all tied up, ready to go. Let's get on the road. All right, so we're about an hour and 15 minutes out. We are gonna have to stop and get gas, one more diesel, one more time. This thing only gets about 11.3 miles per gallon, and it's about a 25-gallon tank. So here we are. Trip's going pretty well so far. You hanging in there? Oh yeah. So this truck does not have air conditioning, so we are sweating our balls off. It is ridiculous. That's definitely on the list to get fixed. Just have to get fuel. Ended up being $47.68. Put 14 gallons in. We are about an hour out. You'll see it when we get there. All right, guys, the car's on the trailer. Say hello to a 1987 BMW 325e, which is an E30. Stay tuned for the motor swap on this thing. It's gonna be nutty. But yeah, here it is. It is mostly rust-free. It's a perfect project car. It's white with a blue interior, kind of different. But yeah, so we'll get this thing back home, and I'll take you on a walkthrough. We finally made it back. Holy crap, what an adventure. Nothing crazy happened. Ended up going to 450 North Brewing, which is fantastic, but way too full. It was a hot drive. That air conditioning needs to be installed ASAP. But here we are. What do you think, Andrew?
I love it. I'm excited to work on it.
It's gonna be a fun project. All right, so let's get this thing unloaded. We're gonna take it for a quick little spin around the block because it does run and drive, but the brakes are a little soft on it apparently. So we'll see what it does. Let's just give a little appreciation to the white truck with the white lights and the white Beamer. Man, that does look really clean. The white lights make this truck mint. Definitely looks better at night. A lot like the women I talk to. Just kidding, I don't talk to any women. Oh! Hey! This thing chops.
Let's really give it the beans. I mean, screw this motor.
Apparently the brake lights stay on. To be honest, a U-Haul trailer is a great idea because it only costs 60-some bucks.
The ultimate driving machine.
You excited for this project?
Oh yeah.
All right. We'll do a little walk around tomorrow in the daylight, and after we're not so tired. It's been a fun day, but it's time for bed. All right, guys. So it is the next day, and we have this thing on the lift. Let's take a look under it. Overall, pretty clean. Yeah, it has the battery tray rust. That's pretty typical. The diff does look like it needs replaced. I mean, it's you can get those pretty cheap. It's obviously kind of a mess. All right, so now we get back further. Exhaust is completely rusted out, but we'll be replacing that anyways. Trans looks like it's a little rusty as well. Now, one problem that BMW had with the insulation that they put under the car is that it held in moisture. So I do notice quite a bit of rot under here. But that it's also typical, so we should be able to fix that, no problem. Get further down. Looks like all the arms and bushings should either get replaced, or the bushings at least. Sway bar end links are kind of screwed, especially on this one. Some leaks here and there, but like I said, we're gonna be swapping this whole thing, so I'm not really too worried about it. Overall, it's pretty clean underneath for being a 1987. Don't know what's up with those fog lights. It doesn't look bad, but not ideal. But all that's getting replaced as well. Overall, real solid car. Pretty impressed. Yeah, that thing's cruddy. That's a big old mess. I'm gonna have fun getting that sucker out. All new suspension will be coming as well. Yeah, look at that, nice little hole right there. I mean, for the price that I paid on this thing, you really can't beat it. We are going to put a very high horsepower motor into the E30. Check this out, this is an LS1 that is just cammed, I believe. I'm unsure yet whether I want to put a Holley or a Haltech in it.
Tell us what you want to see.
There we go, tell us what you want to see. Haltech or Holley? Holley would be easier on me, but Haltech may be a cool challenge for us. Everything's MSD on here. I don't think there's a single bolt on this thing that isn't ARP. I really don't know what else is on this. It's power, it's American. What's your favorite part about this future build?
Probably how it's gonna sound. I think it's gonna be choppy. Yeah. Are you sure you don't want to put a BFD in it?
I think it already has a pretty choppy cam.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see.
What does BFD stand for?
Bigfoot's dick.
So I'm unfamiliar with the LS game. I'm a big Beamer fanboy, so I don't know anything about the LS. But we're gonna learn, and it's all going to happen really quick over the next few months because this thing has to be on the road before Helen, Georgia, which is going to be wicked. So we're planning to go down to Helen, Georgia for, what is it? Europe? It's not, is it Euro District?
No, it's Alpine Volks Fair.
Alpine Badge Fair?
Volks Fair.
I thought it was VAG, or VAG, V-A-G. Is it Volk?
VAG or Volk? Pause the video.
So it's Alpine Vag Fair.
Oh, it's Volks Fair now.
Oh.
They changed it.
Can it be a Vag Fair? I hope it's a Vag Fair. Alright guys, overall I'm super excited for this. As you guys know, I am not the one to do DIY tutorial stuff. If I do, it's very high level. I don't get into extreme detail. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I'm available on Instagram, DM, or just shoot it in the comments as well. So, another thing that we have update for is this thing is on the rotisserie, and we are building a powder coating oven. Check this guy out. All sorts of cool new stuff has happened at the shop over the last few months. I mean, we're still slowly getting into things, but it's been eventful. It's been good. We have new products.
We got new products. Should we show them?
We should show them. What products do we have, Andrew?
Well, we got two main products right now. Actually, three for our shopboard line. The first one we're really excited about is this Rotiform Aerodisc wall mount. So if you guys got Aerodiscs out there and you're not running them, you spin them on here, you mount them on the wall, and then boom, you got your Aerodiscs and all your artsy Aerodiscs mounted on your wall in your garage.
A link will be in the description below for you to see what we're talking about. What else do we got?
What else we got? We got the keychain holder.
I think we showed that in one other video, but just in case you haven't, here's the keychain holder.
And then also the bulk chemical holder.
So we have a whole line of shop organization coming up. By the end of winter, you should see a full lineup on our website. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.